Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll quickly explain how to add or remove the WMIC command feature in Windows 11. WMIC is a built-in command line tool that allows you to access Windows management instrumentation using WMIC. With this command, you can quickly query and manage system information, including installed programs, services, BIOS, users, processes, disks, and network adapters. This is useful for troubleshooting, automation, and getting system details without having to open multiple graphical tools. For system administrators and advanced users, it's a quick way to gather and program system data. If you open a command prompt window and type the command WMIC /?, and the command output is WMIC is not recognized as an internal or external command, this means that the WMIC executable file is unavailable to the system because it is not installed as an optional feature. Therefore, the command prompt cannot find the WMIC program. So, we will learn how to add the WMIC command feature to Windows 11 in a very easy way. I will add this feature through Windows 11 settings. Click the Start button, and from the menu, select Settings. And from the Settings page, select System from the left sidebar. And on the right sidebar, scroll down and click on Optional Features. Then click the View Features button to search for optional tools to add. In the search box, type WMIC and select the checkbox next to WMIC. Then click Next. Then click the Add button. Wait until Windows finishes adding the feature successfully. This may take a few minutes. After adding the WMIC command feature, look for it in the Added Features section. You will find it listed and can use it now because it is integrated into Windows. And if you no longer need this feature or wish to remove it, simply click on it and then click the Remove button. The WMIC command feature will then be removed from Windows immediately and easily. That's all for today's video. You now know why the WMIC feature might not appear, how to install the optional WMIC feature in Windows 11, and how to remove it if you don't need it. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.